find Old Man Withers. He's gotta be around here somewhere. Where could he be? Where would he hide? He has nowhere to go. He has nobody he knows. Damn it. The internet. Yeah, let's Google myself. I look. Withers. Aha! GPS him right now. Hey, look, I found him. Barnston Hotel. Sounds familiar. Oh. Let's go. Beep, beep. Orange cat, by the way. It's cat gun. Who's that? Who is it? Old Man Withers? Louie. Just as expected. Can't find him. Hey, someone's on me, man. Alright. This is it. She's coming. Now would be a great time to get the hell out of here. Out of my house. Jamie! Who the fuck is that? It's me, Old Man Withers. Old Man Withers, what are you doing in my house? Why? I want to know. What are you doing in my house, huh? It's my house. You don't got the right to be in here. What? I'll talk to you. Could you give me a hand? Alright, don't try anything stupid, old man. Well, Jamie, I was talking to your father the other day, and he said, you're a bit on the other hand side. What? Why would he say that? I'm a very well protected man. I carry my gun around with me everywhere. I go, keep talking, man. I'm gonna use my protection on you. Okay, don't get the fights in there, buddy. Alright. Look your eye in the camera. I promise you're not gonna do anything. I promise I will not do anything. Okay. don't try anything spiffy or you're dead. Now listen. There's 10 bullets. There's 10 in one round. They're all empty except for one. Now you have 9 chances to tell me why the fuck did you kill my father? 1. Listen, you're not doing me fair here, kid. 2. Okay. Wait, just a second. 3. Okay. Listen to me, Mac. Mac, my name is Jamie. 4. Okay. Listen to me, kid. Alright, just listen. Hear me out. 5. Okay, your father ordered me to. 6. You didn't tell me why. You just said your father. Go ahead. Okay. He told me to organize the groups and decide. That's the 3 reason. 7. He told me to take care of his fish. 8. 2 more, baby. You're dead. Right. Tell me. Okay. Take care of you. 8, 9. Last one. After this one, that's it. Okay. He wanted me to do some drug deals with him, and that was it. What? Drug deals with him? Fucking crazy. You told me though. So bye, baby, bye. You ever a little bit? Oh yeah, and by the way, 10. You're under the arrest for drug deals with inappropriate men. My father. You're under arrest for drug dealing with my father and other inappropriate men. So you make me say it 3 times, you're dead. Okay? Now put your hands behind your. Oh wait, you don't have no hands. It's gonna be harder. Oh, you resist. Whew, close. Safe. Alright, come on. Prospect of town. Did immature things. For other men. So now, he going to jail. He's a funny guy. You know who else is funny? Who, what, yourself? Who said that? Say, you, comrade? Maybe it is detective. Where's your boss, comrade? Want to speak to him. Oh, I thought you were speaking to him already, detective. No. That was old man Withers. Well, detective, you got yourself in a load of shit. Wait a minute. John? From the department? It can't be you. Oh, maybe it is, detective. Shit. Oh, shit. It can't be him. Why would you turn on an EOD, and especially me? Other things are meant for life, and this is not one of them.